Hey there everyone, it's me, Lauren Jackson, an APQS sales rep and educator, and I'm going to show you how to do a cool twisted leaf grid design as a background filler. I first use a stencil to create the grid, and then I'm just going to utilize an S-curve shape as I go through and complete the grid. Now there is a method to the madness. Notice that I'm going in one direction. I'm going clockwise. I travel back so I can start my clockwise rotation one more time. Down, up, and around. So we're making kind of like a three-part shape: over, up, down, over, up, back to the beginning. And I follow the same pattern every time: over, up, down, 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 over, up. And it is totally fine for you to have to say this to yourself over and over again so that you don't forget what direction you're going. But this way you'll notice that I will not have to backtrack to complete this grid. This is a fantastic background filler that you can use behind anything. Honestly, you can put it behind applique, put it as a whole background on a quilt. Just adjust your grid size so that it works for the size and scope of your patchwork, of your quilt, and the empty space that you're working within. Here I'm utilizing a 1.5 inch grid in like a 8-inch block. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson, your APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to share this design with you. Take care and happy quilting!